Thank you, Prof. Rika. Good morning to everybody, and thank you to Professor Byron, Professor Mary, Professor Bambang Suhendro, and Prof. Yati, Prof. Narto, Prof. Rika, Prof. Odeli, and Dr. Joko, Professor Sismindari, Professor Ardianto, the Dean and Vice Dean, and all of the participants. Can you hear me, Professor Rika? Hello.
Very clearly.
Very clear, Prof.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for the time, and thank you as well to Professor Yati Sunarto and team for the inspiring presentation. There are several things that I would like to highlight, especially in relation to the bioethics program in higher education. Yeah, bioethics is very important because of its function as a science to sustain life and focus on the use of biological science to improve the quality of life. Bioethics is also a combination of biological knowledge with knowledge of human value systems. On the other hand, bioethics also function as a bridge between science and the humanities, helping humanity to remain safe and sustainable, and perfecting the world to be more civilized. One of the main objectives of the UNESCO chair in bioethics program, as we have seen from the presentation, is to accelerate the growth of bioethics in higher education. This goal shall be achieved in UGM through at least 4 policies. The first one is strengthening of capacity building of bioethics education in Indonesia Medical and Health School. The second one, promoting and integrating bioethics education for various disciplines. And the third one is we have to make a strong regulation on bioethics in higher education. The fourth is internationalizing the bioethics master program at Universitas Gadjah Mada. Let me begin with putting up the relevance and importance of bioethics in different disciplines. While it is true that new discoveries made in science and technology nowadays provide us with convenience, they also pose profound ethical, legal, and social implications that should be carefully navigated. Bioethics allow us to examine the issues and determine what the right ethical choice might be. This capacity to identify ethical issues and use commendable reasoning to academically and scientifically discuss, evaluate, and propose them is highly valuable and should be acquired by all students, faculty members, and staff, regardless of their disciplines. The idea to promote and incorporate bioethics education for various disciplines at the university level should be therefore be prioritized and supported. Universitas Gadjah Mada consists of 18 faculties, 2 schools, and 265 study programs. And while this diversity can be challenging, the transdisciplinary nature of bioethics will actually accommodate them. Of course, this is not to diminish the significance of the strengthening of bioethics education in medical and health school itself. Within Universitas Gadjah Mada, bioethics curriculum and practice have been extensively developed at the Faculty of Medicine, Public Health, and Nursing. It is high time for us to expand and open more rooms to discussion and collaborative work with other health schools across Indonesia. It is also worth mentioning that bioethics has been a flagship program at Universitas Gadjah Mada since 2015, which then brought for the birth of Bioethics Master Program at the postgraduate school. Although the program has just started in 2018, the interest and the number of applicants keep growing from various disciplines, accentuating the necessity and importance of bioethics even more to public domain to accommodate an even wider space and needs internationalization. Internationalization of bioethics master programs through fostering global partnership and adopting international standardization is an inevitable leap we have to take and prepare for. These noble dreams can only be achieved by a strategic plan that includes harnessing strong commitment, collaboration, and the rigorous development of resources and curriculum, all of which can hopefully be facilitated and realized by becoming UNESCO Chair in Bioethics. As the government institution, Universitas Gadjah Mada is dedicated to facilitate and lead the initiative together with the Center for Bioethics and Medical Humanities. Thank you again to Professor Yati Sunarto and team for your inspiring presentation. Thank you, Prof. Ika. Thank you very much.